Hello student, we are learning from tasting to digesting now, and we finish. How much we finish? We finished the about taste. Then we finish the digestive system. We learn about the digestive system, and we also learn about glucose drip, and we saw the story of Neetu's. Now today we are going to learn about the Martin's story from Martin's window poem. Martin is a soldier. So Martin is a soldier. Now see, once in 1822 he was 18 years old and was very healthy. When he was shot, he got seriously hurt. When he was shot in the military, because he was a soldier, that time he got seriously hurt. At that time, Beaumont, which Dr. Beaumont, name Dr. Beaumont, underline this name, was called to treat him. Okay, that time which doctor is treat to Martin? Dr. Beaumont. And Dr. Beaumont cleaned the wound and put the dressing. Okay, Dr. Beaumont cleaned the Martin's hole, whenever he got hurt. That time Dr. Beaumont treat him and he cleaned the wound and he put a dressing. After 1 day, after 1.5 years, okay, after 1.5 years, the doctor found that Martin's wound had healed except for one thing. He had a big hole in the stomach. Means everything's wound is covered, but only except the one hole. Okay, in Martin's stomach, he had a big hole in his stomachs. That hole is not recovered yet. The hole was covered with the loose flap of skin, like the washer in the football. You can see the here the window, like window and hole. So this hole cover with flap skin. Then press the skin and you could peep into the Martin's stomach. Means Dr. Beaumont can easily peep into the Martin's window. He can see the hole. Not only that, the doctor could also take out food from the stomach by putting the tube in the hole. So Dr. Beaumont easily can see the hole, and he easily can put tube and he can take out the food from his stomach. Dr. Beaumont feel he had found a treasure. So underline this treasure. Treasure means what? Khazana. So he keep experimenting on his stomach. Whose stomach? Martin's stomach. Can you guess how much time he spent on doing different experiments on this stomach? 9 years. Till 9 years he keep a experiment on the Martin's hole. See, lots of time he take a food juice from juicy substance from his stomach, and he did lots of experiment. During this time Martin grew up and got married. Then after that, at the time, scientists did not know how food was digested. That doctor means that scientists did not knowing about how the food is digesting in human body. So how does this liquid of means digestive juice in the stomach help? And does it only help to making the food wet and soft, or does it also help in digestion? All this question came to in scientists mind, but they didn't know about the digestive system. So Dr. Beaumont took some liquid out of the Martin's stomach. He wanted to see what would happen to food item keep in the glass filled water and would get to digest on its own. So what happened then? Dr. Beaumont took some liquid like juice from his stomach, from his hole, Martin's hole, and he collect that juicy substance in one glass, and so he want to experiment on that. Then for this he did an experiment. With the help of tube, he took out a digestive juice from his stomach, and at 8:30 a.m. At what time he took away took juice from his stomach? At 8:30 a.m. He put 20 tiny pieces of boiled fish in 10 milliliters of juice, and in the juice of glass of Martin's stomach, which we Dr. Bowman took from Martin's stomach. In that glass, in that juicy glass, Dr. Bowman put tiny pieces of boiled fish. He kept the glass and under observation of him, and he kept the glass at the same temperature as our stomach. Means stomach temperature and the glass temperature is same. He kept the same, about 30 Celsius. When he checked at 2 p.m., when he was put at 8:30, and he checked that pieces of fish in that juice at 2 o'clock in the noon. He found that the pieces of fish had dissolved. Everything is digested, means everything is dissolved, means every that fish is mixed with that juicy substance. Then Dr. Bowman tried this experiment with different food items. Okay, he take lots of different food items, and he keep the experimenting on the food items. He gave Martins the same food at the same time. In similarly, he gave to Martin same food that same time, and at the same time he put that food items in the glass, and then compare how long it is took for food to be digested in the glass and digest in the Martin's stomach. Then he observed the whole experiment, and he compared between the Martin's stomach, how much food item taking time to digest, and he observed the food items in the glass as well at the same time, how much time they are taking, food items are taking to digest in the glass. He recorded his observation in the table. So you can see the here is a table given. So this table is observation of Dr. Bowman's experiment. So which food items he took? Unboiled milk, boiled milk, full boiled egg, half boiled egg, raw egg, and then raw egg beaten, then raw egg. Now see, unboiled milks take 2 or 15 minutes to digest in Martin's stomach. At the same time, the same food item, means unboiled milk, take 4 or 45 minutes to digest in glass, means in the glass need glass to 2 hours more, 2 hours extra for digest. Then boiled milk take 2 hours to digest, and at the same food item in glass take 4 or 15 minutes. Full boiled egg take 3 or 30 minutes to digest in Martin's stomach, and 8 hours to digest in glass, to dissolve in the glass. Half boiled egg take 3 hours to digest in Martin's stomach, and half boiled egg, same food items, take 6 or 30 minutes. See how long time are taking boiled egg to dissolve in the glass. Now raw eggs beaten take 2 hours in stomach to digest, and in a glass it take 4 or 50 minutes to dissolve. Now raw eggs take 1 or 30 minutes to digest in the Martin's stomach, and in the glass that raw eggs take 4 hours to dissolve, means in the glass take extra time to dissolve, but in the Martin's stomach it take less time to digest. So what does our stomach Dr. Bowman did many experiments and found out many secrets about the digestion, about digestive system. He found that food digests faster in the stomach than outside. Did you notice this is a table? Okay, as I told you, it's take lots of time to dissolve in the glass, and it take less time to digest in the stomach. In our stomach there is a liquid substance. It helps to digest our food properly in our stomach. Our stomach churns the food to digest. The doctor also saw that the food did not digest properly when Martin was sad. Okay, when he was upset, that time the food take lots of time, and they did not digest properly when Martin was sad. But he also found that the juice in the stomach is acidic. That juice is acidic. Have you heard anyone taking about the acidity, especially when that person has not eaten well and food is not digest properly? Now see, we experience acidity, and that time we take lots of tablets and acidity syrup for digest our food properly. When the we suffering acidity, when whenever we not eaten properly and we not eaten on time, that time we suffer acidity, and that time doctor give us the liquid of acidity for digest our food properly. Then that say that food juice also inside our present inside in our stomach, that is acidic. Dr. Bowman experiment become a famous across the world. Okay, whichever experiment done by Dr. Bowman is also famous across the world. After this, many scientists did many experiments. What do you say? No, no, they did not shoot people in the stomach. No, nor did they wait for a patient with a hole in the stomach. They use often a scientific ways to look inside the bodies. Do you like the story, Martins? Yes, I also like this story because we get lots of things. We get know about our digestive system. There is a one acidic juice in our stomach to help us to digest the foods properly, and in the stomach for digest food take less time, but outside it take more time. And when we was upset, when we are upset, our digestive system not work properly. That time we our food is not digest, and whenever we not eaten properly on time, that time we feel like acidity. So these things we get know we know get know about the digestive system and some secret of our stomach. Now we will see the journey of food. So what's happen when foods enters in our mouth and in our body? So we will see this journey of food. When food enters our mouth, that time we taste and chew it properly. Food enters the stomach through the food pipe, as I shown you in the diagram, in the picture of digestive system in previous video. Then after the food enters in the stomach, we throw the food pipe. Then food get mixed with the digestive juice. Like Beaumont, Dr. Beaumont's experiment, he found there is a liquidy substance, juicy substance in our stomach. We get help to digest our food by using this juicy substance. It is acidic. The stomach churns the food, and the food is digested with the help of juice, that acidic juice. The stomach churns and food is digested food give us energy to the body in the form of glucose, and undigested food passes through small intestine and large intestine. Undigested food is passed out of the body in the form of waste by through the anus. So did you get this? The journey of food. First food enters in our mouth, then after that it goes to our stomach by through the food pipe. Then after that food gets mixed with the digestive juice and our stomach churns and food is digested. And after digestion, digested food give us energy to the body, and undigested food pass through the small intestine and large intestine, and then undigested food passed out of body in the form of waste. So that's all the journey of the food.